G'day, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to be drawing Frank, the funnel web spider, from Back to the Outback. I may not be in the Outback, but I am in my backyard, and check out my cool creek. Let's start Frank with the construction lines. You can see that I've got a circle for the head, a circle for the body, and then I've got lines for his legs. Once you've got your construction lines done, it's time to outline. I'm going to use a 0.3 Copic multi-liner. I'm going to start with Frank's fangs. Big curve shapes like so, 2 fangs, and then his mouth. So a big smile, each side he's got a smile, so I'm doing the lines like that, and then rather than a straight line I'm just going to make that a bit fluffy because he's a hairy spider. Then he's got a line that comes out and around and tucks underneath his there, and so this is the side of his face. So this is his big smile, and that's his mouth, and that's his fangs. So we've started with those bits. Then we're going to put a line across here, and we're going to draw 2 half circles like so, and that's his eyes, and then we're going to put his eyeballs in, and then he's got some cool tufts of hair or eyebrows here. Little shapes like that, and then a bit of hair sticking up, and that's Frank's face. Okay, now this is the fun part. We've got to draw his legs, and I've put a line through the middle of where his legs would be. Keep watching the video. At the end I've got an awesome Back to the Outback montage, which you can see all the Back to the Outback characters that I've drawn, and I've put them together. So I'm going to start with this one that's tucked in behind there. He's got 8 legs, remember, so you don't really see much of this one. So I'm going to start that by drawing a shape like so. And then this one. These are the legs at the back. Now this leg here sits in here. Going to start like that. And now his legs, because he's hairy, I'm just drawing a couple of little jagged edges, and you can see that that's the first part of the leg. Then I'm going to draw another part of the leg, and every now and then you just put on the fluffy bits like so, curve that around, fluff it up, and that just shows you how Frank's legs can go. Now he's got a little bit here, and then he's got another leg that comes out. Few fluffy lines. Do the same on the other side. Now these construction lines help to see where those bits are, and then it comes out. And you can see how the legs are getting a little bit fatter as they come out. And then we've got those little bits. They're rounded, so they curve, like rounded at the ends, and then a bit jaggedy. Now this is his body here, and he's got another leg. This leg comes out, and then down, and then sort of the foot, almost like that. And then spike it back in, spike, spike, spike. There we are. This is his body, and it's quite dark through there. We've got another leg that starts up in here, and then this one comes down. Remember to put the jagged bits on. And then there's another leg that comes in and behind there. And I've got the picture that I've got is actually sitting on Pretty Boy's head. So I'm just going to sort of finish that off. To finish that foot off. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 legs on that side. This is his body. Just make it a jagged sort of fluffy edge. Same with here. And then the other leg's going to come out like so. And then it bends down. And then comes around like that. And there we have, whoops, don't forget this little bit. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a thicker outline around Frank because he's so cool. My favourite part of in the movie was when Frank was trying to impress the ladies by doing some dancing, and mating season was already over, so poor Frank. But quite a funny part of the movie with Frank. Hope you had a great time drawing today's video. If you want to check out some of the other Back to the Outback characters, check them out here. Hey guys, comment below who your favourite Back to the Outback character is.